Welcome to On the Move, quick, sharp insights for business owners who don't have time to slow down. Now, when things fall through the cracks, it's easy to think your team is broken. You hand off a task, and it doesn't come back the way you expected. A client gets frustrated, and you think, I can't count on my team. I guess I'll just do it myself. But here's a reality. Your people aren't broken. You aren't broken. Your handoffs are what is broken. So, how do handoffs actually break? Well, usually in three ways. Number one, no clear owner. Two people think the other has it, nobody really does. Two, no clear finish line. The task is handed over, but done looks different in everyone's head. And number three, no clear next step. The baton gets passed, but the runner doesn't know where the track goes. When those three things are missing, it looks like a people problem, but it's not. It's really an ownership problem, and maybe not the type of ownership you're thinking. Here's the reframe. Your team isn't failing you. The handoffs are failing them. So here's one quick action for this week. Pick one recurring handoff. Define who owns it, what success looks like, and where that thing goes next. Then watch what happens. You'll see the team problem starts to disappear because clarity fixes more than criticism ever could. And if you see this pattern repeating everywhere, across projects, clients, departments, that's your signal that it's not just delegation that needs fixing. It's the systemization behind it. That's exactly what I'll be covering in this week's strategic briefing, delegation versus systemization, the architecture of real growth. I'm Randy Bridges, and this was On the Move, one quick action to keep your business moving forward. We'll see you next time.